Hey everyone, and welcome to another deep dive. Today we're off to France, to a place that I'm told is just overflowing with Christmas magic, the Colmar Christmas Market.
And it's not just any Christmas market. You see, it's the entire village that transforms into this winter wonderland.
Wow. Okay, so we're talking like a real-life Christmas card.
That's the idea.
Well, I am so ready for this. Let's go.
Let's start our virtual stroll in Petite Venice.
Petite Venice.
Yeah, Little Venice. It's right in the heart of the market, and you guessed, it canals everywhere.
Canal. Okay, so is this like Venice, Italy canals with gondolas and singing gondoliers?
Well, no gondoliers, but the canals are definitely the stars of the show. Here in Colmar, they were originally built for transporting goods, but today they add this magical touch to the atmosphere, especially with all the twinkling lights reflecting on the water.
Okay, I'm picturing it now. Twinkling lights, canals. What's not to love? So what else are we looking at?
Well, look at the buildings lining those canals. We've got these beautiful half-timbered houses. They're typical of Alsatian architecture, exposed wooden beams and such character.
Oh yeah, I love that style. It's so fairy tale-esque. And some of them have those animated displays, right?
Exactly, like that one with Santa and his reindeer.
Oh, it's so whimsical.
I know, right? A perfect blend of old and new. And hey, look, over there, a boat decorated with lights gliding along the canal.
Oh wow, I bet the view from there is incredible.
It's a popular way to experience the market. From the water, you see all the lights and decorations from a completely different angle.
Oh man. Okay, so we've got stunning settings,
Yes.
immersive activities,
Uh-huh.
unique shopping experiences,
Yeah.
and culinary delights that sound absolutely divine.
I know.
It's safe to say that Colmar ticks all the boxes for an unforgettable Christmas adventure.
And it's more than just the tangible offerings. When was the last time you truly felt that childlike sense of wonder during the holidays?
Good point.
Colmar offers a chance to reconnect with that feeling,
Okay.
to escape the hustle and bustle of modern life and step into a world of pure Christmas magic. You know, Christmas markets in this region have been around for centuries. We're talking like way back to the Middle Ages.
Wow, really? That long?
Yeah, originally they were much more practical. People gathered to stock up on supplies for the winter months.
Oh, so not quite the festive spectacle we see today.
Right. But over time, they evolved into something more about community and celebration.
Okay, I think it's time to venture deeper into Petite Venice. What do you think?
Let's go. I'm particularly interested in seeing the local crafts. This region is known for its skilled artisans.
Oh, look at this stall. Handcrafted wooden toys, rocking horses, toy trains, miniature versions of those half-timbered houses.
Wooden toys are timeless. They appeal to our sense of nostalgia and craftsmanship, especially in this age of mass-produced plastic toys.
Absolutely. And they're charming. I bet kids would treasure those for years. And hey, next to the wooden toys, there's a pottery stall. Mugs, plates, bowls, all hand-painted with these intricate designs.
It's another example of the rich tradition of craftsmanship in this region, often featuring local motifs, flowers, animals, scenes from everyday life.
Like little pieces of their culture.
Yeah.
And speaking of art, look at this stall over here. Hand-blown glass ornaments, delicate and sparkling.
Glass blowing is another craft that's been practiced in this region for centuries. Each ornament is unique.
Wow, so beautiful. Okay, I need to pace myself. I'm already feeling like I want to buy everything.
I know what you mean, but we've only just begun. Let's keep exploring.
Sounds good to me. What's next?
I'm getting hungry. How about we check out some of the food stalls? Alsace is known for its culinary delights.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling a bit peckish after all this walking.
Perfect timing then. Look at this stall. They're making tarte flambe.
Tarte flambe. Is that like pizza?
Sort of. It's a thin, crispy flatbread topped with creme fraiche onions and bacon, a regional specialty.
Okay, I'm sold. We're trying that. And what's that next to it? It looks like cookies.
Those are brittle traditional Alsatian Christmas cookies.
Yeah,
Each one intricately decorated by hand.
they look amazing.
Okay.
I'm definitely trying one of those too. All right, I'm ready for more exploring.
Let's go. Then follow me. We're heading to a particularly well-lit area up ahead. I think you're going to love it.
Ooh, mysterious lead the way.
Here we are. This is the kids zone, rides, games, even a little train.
Oh, that's adorable. It's perfect for families.
Exactly. It gives the little ones something to do while the adults enjoy the rest of the market.
Oh, and look, a carousel with beautifully carved horses and twinkling lights.
Carousels are classic. They bring back those feelings of childhood joy and wonder. Don't you think?
Totally.
Yeah.
And I love how they even have a stall selling cotton candy and other sweet treats right next to the carousel.
Gotta fuel those sugar rushes, right?
Okay, I think we've officially been charmed by the kids zone. What's next on our adventure?
Let's see. I'm thinking we head over to Place de la Cathédrale. It's a stunning square, and it should be all lit up by now.
Ooh, I love a good square, especially when it's all decked out for the holidays. Let's go.
All right, follow me. It's just up ahead.
Wow, this is incredible. It's like the whole square is bathed in this soft blue light.
It creates such a peaceful and tranquil atmosphere, don't you think?
Totally, especially with the cathedral right there. It's breathtaking.
The Colmar Cathedral is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, and it looks even more impressive when it's all lit up for the holidays.
And there's a giant Christmas tree in the middle of the square too. It's huge.
Christmas trees always add that extra touch of magic, don't they? And of course, we've got more food and craft stalls surrounding the square.
Perfect spot to grab a bite or do some last-minute Christmas shopping.
I see a stall selling hot spiced wine over there. What do you say we grab a cup?
Oh, yes. Please. I could definitely use something warm to keep my hands cozy.
Coming right up.
Okay, we've got our steaming mugs of hot spiced wine, and it smells heavenly.
It's the perfect drink for a chilly evening like this.
Cheers to that. You know, as we sip our wine, I'm noticing everyone around us, everyone just seems so happy and relaxed.
There's a real sense of community here, especially during the holidays. It's heartwarming.
Like everyone's worries have just melted away.
It's the magic of the holidays. Slow down. Appreciate the simple things. Connect with loved ones.
I couldn't have said it better myself. This is such a special place, and I'm so glad we're experiencing it together.
Me too. It's been an enchanting journey so far.
Yeah. These markets aren't just fleeting spectacles.
Right.
They play a vital role in supporting the local artisans,
Yeah.
the businesses.
And like the overall economy of the Alsace region.
So it's like a ripple effect of holiday cheer.
Yeah.
Visitors come for that enchanting atmosphere and those
Yes.
unique experiences.
Yeah.
And in turn,
Uh-huh.
they're contributing to the livelihoods of
Yes.
the people who make Colmar such a special place.
Exactly. It's a beautiful example of sustainable tourism.
Okay.
Where visitors and locals alike benefit from this shared experience.
Yeah.
And it also ensures that all these traditions and craftsmanship
Ooh.
will continue to thrive for generations to come. You know, I'm still thinking about those twinkling lights on the canals.
Me too. It's like something out of a dream. But I'm ready for more. What else does Colmar have in store for us?
Well, for starters, how about we escape the crowds for a bit and head to the Kuifus?
The Kuifus.
Yeah, it's Colmar's former customs house. A beautiful example of medieval architecture.
Oh, wow. So we're talking like centuries old.
Exactly, and during the Christmas market, it becomes this amazing covered market space.
A covered market. Okay, so like if it suddenly starts snowing, we've got a place to duck into.
Precisely. Plus, even without snow, it's super cozy inside. Warm lighting, the scent of spices and pine.
Okay, you're painting a lovely picture here.
Yeah.
What kind of things can we find inside?
Well, you'll find a curated selection of local artisans, hand-blown glass ornaments, delicate lacework pottery with traditional Alsatian designs.
So basically, more beautiful crafts to tempt us.
Pretty much. But these are really special. Think about it. The building itself dates back to the 15th century. Imagine merchants from all over Europe once gathered here to trade their wares.
Wow, that's incredible. So we're not just browsing crafts, we're walking through history.
Exactly. And speaking of history and crafts, have you noticed a recurring theme in Colmar?
Now you mention it.
Yes.
The wooden toys, they're everywhere.
Right, and there's a reason for that. Wooden toys have a long tradition in the Alsace region. It's a craft that's been passed down through generations. And the quality is remarkable.
It's true. Those toys are more like works of art than just playthings.
Alsace has a long and rich winemaking tradition.
Oh, wow.
And their wines are known for their delicate aromas and like that crisp acidity.
Oh, nice.
Imagine yourself descending into a dimly lit cellar,
Okay.
surrounded by barrels of aging wine. The air just filled with the scent of oak and fermenting grapes.
Okay, so you're painting quite the picture here.
Yeah.
And then you get to sample some of those renowned Alsatian wines.
Yes.
Maybe even paired with local cheeses or charcuterie.
Oh, that's a great idea.
It's the perfect way to warm up on a chilly December evening.
Exactly.
Colmar offers much more than just a pretty picture.
It really does.
It's a place where history,
Yeah.
culture, and the Christmas spirit come together to create something truly extraordinary.
As our deep dive comes to an end,
Yeah.
I want to leave you with one final thought.
Okay.
As you plan your next holiday adventure, consider the value of experiences that go beyond the superficial. Seek out places like Colmar,
Yeah,
where
yeah.
you can really connect with local communities, support those traditional crafts,
Yeah.
and just create memories that will last a lifetime.
Beautifully said. Joyeux Noël to all.
You know well.
And may your holidays be filled with the magic and wonder of places like Colmar,